Lights, camera, action!
Well, it's that time of the year where we hit a milestone. We now have 2,000 subscribers. Very epic. Yo, Chuck, don't tell me you forgot about it again.
Hey, jeez, but what are you talking about? Forgot about what? Well, so why are you screaming out here? It hurts my ears.
Damn it, Chucky. We hit 2,000 subscribers this time. Well, why are you never up to date, Chucky?
Because I don't got a phone, Jasper. I don't watch YouTube. I just entertain kids and stuff.
Well, that gotta change, Chucky. But anyway, we hit 2,000 subs.
Hey, 2,000 subs? Yay, yippee or something.
Yes, we gotta do what we did last year. Marathon. Videos. This time actually do 6 videos instead of doing 3. You know, all that stuff.
Okay, well, you got any ideas, Jasper?
Nope, nothing at all.
I guess we gotta ask the other members. Yeah, Pasquale. Do you got any ideas?
Hey, I got an idea. What about featuring a Dolly Dimples?
Yeah, we could feature her again, but anything else?
Hey, I got one idea. How about featuring Wolf the Wolf?
Yeah, you damn nitwits, I'm talking about new ideas. We can use the old ideas, but we need new ideas. Krusty, do you got any new bright ideas? No. Oh, so none of these animals got any ideas. Well, Jasper, I guess the video's cancelled. Huh?
No, I got an idea.
Well, Jasper, that's only convenient, Jasper. Why don't you say the idea, Jasper?
Well, Chucky, my idea is to do what we did last time. 3 performances of the 3 main acts we have. But this time, we're gonna feature 2 more videos. So 5 videos. We will feature a tour of the inside of the animatronics. You know, us.
That sounds very wrong, Jasper.
Yes, it is. But anyway, we'll make a history video of us throughout the years 2022 to 2025. We'll feature old photos of us.
Well, Jasper, that's a good video ideas.
Thank you, Chucky. Anyway, when the, premieres of the videos will be happening, will be in the comment section, because this is currently being recorded, the audio on May 29th, Thursday, 4 a.m.
Oh, why?
Oh, ask Silas.
Oh, breaking the fourth wall again? Okay, anyway, that's it for this video, folks, for the announcement, and, yeah, bye.